Hello, this is Elijah with Resell Electronics. I'm going to show you how to unretire items on Walmart.com. Now, if you're like me and this has been a struggle to find out how to do, then this will be a godsend for you. So the first thing you want to do is open up two tabs, both with Walmart Seller Center. On your first tab, go ahead and go to Items, get your items list, change from SKU to item name, then put in the item that has previously been retired that you want to unretire. In this case, it's going to be a Brother sewing machine. Go ahead and change your filter, go to Life Cycle, check the retired box, hit Apply, and that's going to allow you to see any of your items that have been retired. Then search for your item name. In this case, it is a Brother 1034. So we're going to go ahead and click on that item. Click Edit Item, and what we're looking for here is the category that we put it in. In this case is Arts and Crafts, and the item identifier. We want to change that to UPC and copy that so that we can paste it later. Now you want to go to your second tab, go up to the right hand top corner and click Manage Items, then Update Items. Now go to Seller Fulfilled, select Update Method by Category, find Category, put in the category that you previously saw. In this case, it was Arts and Crafts. Scroll down, hit Apply, then Download. You should see your download come up in the top of your web page that you have open. Go ahead and open that up. It's going to be an Excel sheet where you need to put in your UPC. So here where the UPC field is, we're going to click the drop down, click UPC. Just to the right of that, we're going to paste in our UPC. Then we want to scroll to the right of this Excel sheet. And what we're looking for is date start and date end. Now you have to put this in the format of year, month, day, or it will not work. So our start date, we want to be previously to the current day. Right now it is November 4th, 2023. So we're going to put in 2023-11-01. Today's the 4th, so the 1st is before that. That will work. Then we want to set any future date. I like to go several years in advance. I'll just make it easier so it doesn't end anytime soon. So I'm going to put in 2026-11-01. Now go ahead and save it. It should be saved right where it was before, so you can drag that down to where it says upload the completed spec and view progress. Drag and drop here, then click submit. Now if it says error detected, go ahead and open that back up. See what your error is. In this case, the error is under SKU. So we need to go back to our previous screen, see what our SKU was set, copy that, open our spec page back up, go ahead and paste it in that field where the SKU is, save it once more, then pull it down again. Click submit. If there's no errors, your file is now uploaded, and you should see this in your activity feed within 24 hours, and now it's unretired. Thanks for watching.